In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Reminder in Slack. If you've set a reminder and no longer need it, or you're just clearing out your to-do list, I'll walk you through the exact clicks to remove it quickly and cleanly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then open the official Slack website from the results. If you aren't already signed in, log into your workspace so you can access your channels and sidebar. You can follow these steps in the desktop app as well. The layout and labels are essentially the same, so everything I show will apply there too. Once Slack is open, look over to the left sidebar. Find the icon with 3 dots, sometimes labeled as the More section. Go ahead and click that. This menu is where Slack groups additional navigation items that don't always appear by default in the main list. If your sidebar looks compact, hover or expand it so you can see the labels. Depending on your theme, it may be called More or simply appear as an overflow menu with 3 dots. From that menu, click Later. The Later view is your personal queue, where Slack collects reminders you've set for yourself, along with items you've saved or snoozed to handle when you have time. This is the central place to manage those tasks. Give it a moment to load if your list is long. Once you're in, you'll see your reminders arranged by time or priority, making it easy to review what you've scheduled. Now, choose the reminder you want to delete. Take a second to confirm it's the exact one you intend to remove by checking the message text and due time. Deleting a reminder won't remove the original message from a channel or direct message. It only removes the reminder from your queue. Next, open the menu for that specific reminder by clicking the 3 dots next to it. This item-level menu contains actions tailored to that reminder. From the options that appear, select Delete Reminder. If Slack asks you to confirm, accept the prompt. The reminder will disappear from your later list immediately, and you won't receive any future notifications for it. That's all there is to it. If you don't see the later option at first, make sure your sidebar isn't collapsed, and scroll if needed. Also note that interface labels can vary slightly across updates, but the 3-dot More menu and the Later view remain the place to manage and delete reminders. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Slack!